Anchoring script before pray. A very pleasant morning to all. I am Areeba of Class 8 standing as a representative of the city school. Read some positive and motivational lines. Rise up, start fresh. See the bright opportunity in each new day. Every day may not be good, but there is something good in every day. We pray to start our day and finish in prayer. We are just thankful for everything, all the blessings in our lives, and trying to stay that way. We think that's the best way to start our day and finish our day. It keeps everything in perspective. I may call upon my friends to pray. Anchoring script before news. Updating ourselves every day is a good and never-ending habit. We should always have this type of habit which show our awareness towards our society, towards our nation, and that's possible only when we are eager or fond of it. Now Hina of Class 8 will enlighten us with today's news. Anchoring script before thought. Good and inspiring thoughts can spice up our day. Reading new thoughts in the morning works like fire, which keeps us smiling and encouraging throughout the day. So to inspire with a thought, here comes Saba of Class 7. Anchoring script before quiz. Questioning is the ability to organize our thinking around what we don't know. So, I would like to invite Zoya of Class 10 to organize the GK quiz. Anchoring script before important message. In our life we need improvement. So for improvement, we need a person who can guide us on the right path. So I would like to request our respected Miss Farhana to give her a valuable message. Anchoring script before moral story. To be honest, responsible and compassionate, we need to learn some moral values in life. So to make this morning's assembly more special, let us invite Naseem of Standard Class 9 to present a moral story. Anchoring script before national anthem. Starting always has an end. Now we have also reached the end of our daily morning assembly. It is the prime responsibility of every citizen to feel that his country is free and defending its freedom is his duty. So let us all together sing our national anthem. We hope you would like this beautiful anchoring script for a school assembly. With this best anchoring script in English for school morning assembly, you can learn about anchoring script for school assembly for a thought school assembly. If you have any suggestions about anchoring script morning assembly anchoring script in English, you can write them in the comments box.